this is a very big news from Pi Network, guys, and let's look at it together. When you open your Pi Network app, you're going to see this update from them that says, Pioneers, we've reached over 18 million KYC'd and over 8 million Mainnet migrated Pioneers. Thanks to recent major speed upgrades, KYC application and Mainnet are processed faster than ever, which is very true. Nearly 200,000 Pioneers migrated in the last day. Wow, over 200,000 Pioneers migrated in one day. That's pretty amazing, guys. This means Open Network can launch as soon as possible in Q1. That is the big news I have for you. So Pi has confirmed that Open Network will launch in the Q1 of 2025. That means in the first quarter, which is either January, February, or March, Pi is set to launch its Open Mainnet. Its Open Network will be launching in Q1 2025, while reducing the gap between KYC and Mainnet migrated Pioneers for inclusivity and ecosystem stability at Open Network. So this is the big news. So this is the big news that I've been talking about. So Pi themselves now, they've made it known to us all that Pi is set to launch in the first quarter of the year 2025, which is amazing. At least now we have a direction, we have an expectation. Even if there are still a lot of people that are confused about this Pi Network of a thing, right? I quite understand them. I quite understand the reason why many of them are very confused about the projects, because to be honest, I would really say the reason why people are so confused is because Pi Network themselves are not giving clarity as much as they should, right? So personally, before I even got this news, I expect that Pi should launch in Q1 2025, right? Even after I received this news. Now, this launch is going to be the launch of one of the biggest token yet. That's what I think. I feel Pi is a very big project that people are not really talking about. Pi Network will come into the crypto space and dominate. That is one thing that I don't know, I just believe personally in that project, that Pi Network has that tendency of dominating in the crypto space. Now, and the reason why I say this is because the idea, the utility Pi is bringing to the table is one of a kind, and it's something you just can't shake off, right? Pi Network is coming with that good utility that no one can just, overlook. That's one of the reasons why I feel Pi is going to be very, very massive, right? And expect a lot of people to sell off by the time there is a value to Pi Network. And to be really honest, I don't see Pi Network even hitting $1 by the time they launch. There's a high possibility that Pi might not even hit $1. But what I think is that over time, Pi is going to grow to become. So for those of you that understand Pi Network, please don't be in a hurry to sell. Don't be in a hurry to sell. Hold on, you can even still buy more Pi if possible, and hold on to your Pi for years. And you are going to be happy that you held on to your Pi Network token. Don't be so quick to selling your Pi Network coins. A lot of people are going to sell, that's for sure. A lot of people are going to sell. Just make sure you're not one of those people that will sell off all your Pi token and now regret why you did. Because this is a game changer. They are bringing a different pattern to the crypto space. They are bringing a different pattern entirely. The kind of pattern Pi Network is bringing, they are going to do well. So what I would advise you to do is not to worry about the Pi price. Even if I did a video predicting the Pi price, I still do not worry about the Pi price, because that's not what you should worry about. You should worry about the success of the project itself. If the project turns out to be very successful, over time, the price is going to go high. It's going to go up, and then you're going to make a lot of money as expected. Pi Network is a long-term project. So now the question is, what is the significance? So your question you should be asking yourself now is, will Pi be successful? Not how much will Pi be worth? So now that you have in mind that Pi is going to be launching Q1, please make sure that you do your KYC. I'm going to be leaving the video of how to do your KYC in the description. And also for those of you that are having issues with migrating to your Mainnet, I'm also going to leave a video in the description that will address all of that. just make sure that you get yourself positioned for this big thing that's about to happen in Q1 2025. So guys, that is basically what I brought here. So if you like this content that I just put out, kindly hit the like button for me and also subscribe to this channel to get more useful content like this one you just saw. So guys, that will be the end of today's video. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to see you in the next one. But until then, bye for now.